Привет, друзья! Welcome back to your Russian lessons with me, with teacher Alicia. Today we are talking about something you use every day. How to say hello in Russian. But guess what? Russians don't just say one word. We have many ways depending on who we are talking to, where and when. Let's dive in. Привет! 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 This is the most common informal way to say hi to friends, kids, or someone your age. Use it like hey or hi. Example. You see your friend at a cafe. Привет, Катя. Здравствуйте. 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 This is formal. Use it for adults, strangers, or in professional settings. Means hello, and it is with respect. Example. Meeting your professor. Здравствуйте, Анна Васильевна. Здравствуй. 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 Same meaning as здравствуйте, but for one person. Polite, but less formal. Also, you can use здравствуйте for one person if you want to be very polite. You use здравствуйте. Алло. Алло. You say this only on the phone. Like hello when you're answering a call. Алло. Алло. Hi. Yes, Russians say this too. It's borrowed from English, very casual. Use with friends and young people in an informal way. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Доброе утро means good morning. Polite and cheerful for morning greetings. Доброе утро we also say in the morning when we wake up to those who live with us, to your children, to your wife, husband, mom, dad, doesn't matter who. When you see someone for the first time in the morning from your family, say доброе утро. Добрый день. Добрый день. Добрый день. Good afternoon. It's perfect between late morning and evening. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. It's good evening. When it's later in the day, but you are still greeting someone. Приветики. 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 Also can say приветульки. 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 This is cute and affectionate version of привет, of hi, used only by close friends. And if you want to sound funny, like hi, hey, but careful, only use this with people who enjoy playful language. Now you know some ways to say hello like a real Russian. From respectful to playful, Russian greetings show who you are talking to and how well you know them. If you want to know anything more, if you have any questions, you can always ask them in the comments. До встречи! Пока-пока!